Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Stripe payment gateway to WooCommerce. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to head over and then just go to your settings right here. When you're on your settings, just click under this to WooCommerce. Now, on your WooCommerce settings, you should be able to see a lot of things, which is this right here. Just head over and click on this payments right here. Once you have clicked on the payments, you should be able to see in here a new page, which is this one. So if you want to actually enable Stripe payment, you need to head over and then just set it up. So this actually falls under the Woo payments right here. So make sure that you actually enable this. Just click on this enable. Then this will load. And then from in there, this will help you just try to enable this Woo payments and accept credit or debit card. Now, on this case, what we can do next is we need to head over and then finish the setup for that. Here at this right here, you can see this right here. Click on this finish setup. And then from in there, this will load. And then it should be able to see in here this connect.stripe.com. That means Woo Payments is actually connected to the Stripe payment. Just head over and then just log into your Stripe. Continue to do so, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.